Conduct a survey of the terrain before selecting and installing the product. Preparation. Installation tools. Components for installing U-bolts, stainless steel lock plate, support bracket, aluminum track. Steps 1. Measuring and cutting door track. Cutting off 100 mm to leave 50 mm. Bending the mouth of the door track at a 35-degree angle. Steps 2. Installing rail. Measuring and installing the door rails in the correct position. Then weld the door rails connection securely to the wall. Steps 3. Installing support brackets. Mounting the shaping support brackets with screws to align properly with the door rails. Then weld them securely. Spray paint the weld joint. Complete the installation of the rails and brackets for both sides of the door. Steps 4. Installing the door panel. Position the roller shaft. Proceed to install the U-bolts. And tighten the screws until the roller shaft is securely fixed on the bracket. Steps 5. Attach the door latch plate. Test the stability of the roller shaft and ensure the screws are securely fastened at the U-bolts position once again. Step 6. Check and finalize. Check the assistance spring. And test the upward movement of the door. Operating. Use the door pull hook to open and close the door. When the door reaches the end of its travel, proceed to stainless steel lock plate.